So let's imagine you guys are out there right now enjoying the Christmas lights with friends and family. Maybe going through a drive-in theater now these days. They're coming back, okay? So you're out there, you got the car on, you got the climate running to make sure everyone's staying nice and comfortable. But the problem is now you got these daytime running lights are on during the cool little event. Now you're just turning everyone else out there. So the question is, Chris, is there a way I can keep the vehicle on and running so everyone stays comfortable and I can turn these off as we're enjoying everything? The answer is yes. Let me show you how to do that now. All right, so we get the vehicle in park, it's on and running. You can see that your daytime running lights are on right now. So we're gonna come over here to the driver's side seat. You got your little stick over here for your turning indicators and for your light. You can see what's selected by the little line right here. Right now it's set to auto. You got some options. If you just take it off and let go, you come back out, you can see that your daytime running lights are off. So this is great, but now when you put the vehicle into drive or reverse, you get to a certain speed, those automatically come back on because some states require when the vehicle is in motion that your daytime running lights are on. All right, so there we go.